of course, you never want to lose a game. You always feel sad losing. That is all coaches like to win matches. But to play the first game here, I thought we didn't deserve to lose it. If you look at the chances, but we can improve a lot of things. But some positive things I would take from this game. We created a lot of chances. We created a lot of positions where we should have created better, but we outplayed sometimes the chances. We played too much instead of delivering it in the box or shoot or cross. We were just overpassing at times. Positive things, a lot of players were playing their first national team match, so that goes into their experience bank. And like we played 17 players, so we made all the substitution available. But like I said, it's a lot of things we can do to improve from this game. So yeah, this is how I see it.
And Coach, football is a game of moments. Do you think that we didn't capitalize on the moments that we got through the game?
Yeah, and talking about moments, I think this was their first attack in the second half, and we had created both in the end of the first half and the beginning of the second half. We had created a lot of chances, and then just one moment, and they are one up, and from there it was more panic than maybe quality.
Coach, I noticed that the passes going up front, they were coming from the back instead of from the midfield. Was that a part of the plan?
No, it was both. We wanted to play out in the wings and take the crosses from the wingers, but it was But we should give a little bit credit to Trinidad as well. They played a certain tactical game, but we knew they would kick a long ball and conceded still from a long ball. So.
Yeah, Coach, you said you give credit to Trinidad. They haven't necessarily played domestic football for the past 2 or 3 years. We have. What is your assessment from that realization that they have come here and perhaps outplayed us a bit?
Yeah, they have been training as a national team. So I think that was, you could see that they had a plan. They stuck to the plan. So they were more synchronized than we are. But I think in the end it showed that they got cramped a lot. They needed changes because they were fatigued, and that is because they don't have this playing rhythm that our team has.
Well, Coach, the surface played against us?
Say again?
The surface, did it affect our play?
The surface is what it is, and they scored 1 goal, we didn't. So it would be easy for me to say the surface was bad, but it was the same surface for them.
But you didn't like it, though?
No, I think we have really skillful players that are used to playing better surface. So of course, I would prefer a better surface.
Coach, looking forward to Tuesday. What's the full game plan? What's your plan going forward in Tuesday?
No, we had a plan before we started. We want to see everyone in the squad play. And you can only start with 11 players, and you can only play maximum 17 players. So the ones that didn't play now will definitely play the next game. So we will focus on getting them to play together as a team. We have 2 days to prepare that team.
Two more questions.
No, just I like to thank those who came. Maybe not the best game we can show, but hopefully we can play a better game. We are going to play a better game in 3 days in Kingston. Hopefully we will see as many, but just big thanks to the people that came.
All right, Coach, you placed a great emphasis on youth today. You know, we saw the likes of a lot of teenagers in today's team. First of all, assess their performances and then speak to us about what your thoughts are on their roles going forward in the squad.
Yeah, that's the purpose of these games, to give the future players a chance. Some will grab the chance, some will maybe not play so good, but doesn't mean that they have lost their chance in the future. But if not now, in a friendly at home, in front of the families of these players, then when should we play them? So it's just a part of the process.
And how would you judge their performance? How do you assess their performance today? Like Hutchinson, Richards?
Yeah, I think Jamaica has a lot of talented players, but they need time to play at an international stage. They need time. They need games like these, and we're going to give them that chance. So that's part of our plan going forward.
Coach, did you learn enough about the opponent going into the second game?
Say again?
Did you get enough? Did you learn enough about the opponent?
Yeah. I think at half time it was easy. If when we put them under pressure, it was just a long ball, and then you just have to learn to react to defend the long ball. So that is basically what we did wrong in the first half. We didn't cope with the long ball, but I think overall, if we play similar today with just a few corrections, I think we will play a better game in 3 days.
Thank you.